The number one reason self-published books look amateur isn't the cover, it's the interior layout. If you are still fighting with text editors to format your book, stop. It's time to upgrade to Affinity. This software is industry standard for professional book formatting and it's free. This is part 1 of our book formatting with Affinity tutorial series, and today we are building the foundation. We are going to discuss the main features of Affinity and correctly set up your document, covering the trim sizes, margins, bleeds, and color formats so that Amazon KDP and other publishing platforms accept your file. Let's download Affinity. In your browser, type affinity.studio and click on Get Affinity to download it. Once you download it and install Affinity, open it and you will see this welcome window. Here you have your recent files, templates, favorites. Let's create your first document. Click on this green plus button. Here we have some prepared presets. So you can see that they are grouped by the purpose and dimensions, sizes. We need page sizes CMYK. You see 6 by 9 inches, 5.5 by 8.5 inches presets are already there. We can choose one. So these trim sizes, and they are standard on Amazon KDP and other publishing platforms. So here we have document settings. Let's look at them one by one. So we have document units. We can set it in inches, millimeters, centimeters. Use anything that you are used to work with. I set it to millimeters. And you can see that the page width was in inches, and every time we change to some different unit, it also converts automatically. Great. DPI, it's dots per inch. Leave it as a 300. And color format. We have RGB, gray, and CMYK. Use RGB if you are working on a design for the screens, like Instagram, posters, and so on. If you are working on a book formatting for print, use CMYK. Especially you want to use CMYK if you have colorful images. And you can use gray if your book is just black and white. Let's stick with CMYK. Don't change color profile. Image placement, just leave it as is, prefer embedded. And you want to click on multi-page, you want to activate it, because we will have a left-hand side page and a right-hand side page. Everything is correct here. Number of pages, we want to preload 3 pages and activate default master. Okay, margins. The margins are the safe area around the page, and all the text, all the content will be inside these margins. Okay, I recommend setting the inner margins to 20 millimeters, outer to 18 millimeters, top to 20, and on the bottom we will have a footer, so we need a little bit more space, so 23. You can also look up for margins in the Amazon KDP guidelines. So let's write margins Amazon KDP. Let's check this one. Go to margins. And here, these numbers, what you see, are the minimum number of margins. So you cannot go below it. It must be more than this. And also you see that inside margin, or it's also called gutter, depends on the page count. The more the pages inside the book, the larger the gutter. Okay? And you can see that the margins that we have defined are suitable for KDP. They are good. Bleeds are the additional area around the page. We use bleed when we have full page images. We want the image to go beyond the trim size so that when printed and cut, we have properly printed page with a full image on it. Right now we don't need it. Okay, let's disable. And let's click on Create Document. Great! You have just created your first document in Affinity. In the next part, we will discuss the tools and panels, and I will show you how to work with master pages.